what's up guys? It's Jester here of AC Delco Philippines. And today, nandito tayo sa Estancia Mall sa Capital Commons, Pasig City. So we will be attending the ceremonial takeoff for the 2024 Philippine National Rally Championship. So samahan nyo ako, tignan natin yung mga sasakyan dito, yung mga participants. Tignan natin kung makakakuha tayo ng glimpse kung ano yung mangyayari for the race next week. Let's go! So ayun guys, kasama ko ngayon si Sir Ronnie Trinidad, one of the organizers for the Philippine Rallycross Series and also for the Philippine National Rallycross Championship. So sir, ano po bang maaasahan sir ng mga viewers natin for the race next week, sir?
For next week, no, we have the Philippine Rally or round 1, no, for this year, no. It will be in Capas Tarlac, no. Last year sa New Clark tayo, we went to Capas also in another bayan, no. So next week we'll be there in the city of Capas.
Ayun. Guys, ang Philippine Rallycross Series and the Philippine National Rallycross Championship is open for the public. So pwede kayong pumunta kung gusto niyo ma-witness yung action. Balita ko sir, medyo marami tayong stages for this rally championship. What are you excited about for the next race?
Medyo mahirap manood ng rally, no? But you have to find the spot, no? Kung saan tumitake off yung cars, no? This will be a more on off-road, no? So dirt talaga tayo, no? Transport stage will be in the city roads, no? So we'll have 10 stages. 10 stage yun, all dirt. And then I think that total nun are about 45 kilometers, no? 10 stages, no? Transport stage will be on the road around the cities. That will be around 60. So we're looking at 100 kilometers in total for this round.
So ayun. So guys, ano pang hinihintay natin? So supportahan natin ang Philippine Rallycross Series. Of course, let's support Philippine Motorsports. So if hindi naman kayo makakapunta, pwede kayong manood nung live stream sa mismong official Facebook page. Ilalagay na lang namin sa link sa baba, Philippine Rallycross Series. So thank you sir sa time, sa pag-invite sa atin dito sir, and see you guys sa Capas Tarlac.